Hello guys, welcome once again and welcome to GSoft channel. And today in this video I'll be showing you how you can retrieve images from local storage. So let's get started with this video. अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को करें सब्सक्राइब और साथ ही साथ दबाएं बेल का आइकन, जिससे जब भी मैं नया वीडियो डालूं आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे. So guys, in the last video I've shown you how you can save or upload file directly to the local storage. Let me just show you, as I've already showed you in the last video. Like suppose this is my project, and inside this I want to save all the pics of students here, and these are the reports and these are also the reports. So basically I want to retrieve images from the saved images in my local storage. So basically what I have done is, let me just run and show you. So guys, simply this is the software and this is the list of the all the students. You can see whenever I click on any student, it will retrieve the image of that particular student. Right now we have used dummy images. So basically how is this happening? So let me just show you the database structure. So guys, what I have done is, let me just show you the student table here. So on the student table you can see the list of all the students, and here I have taken a column which says student photo. So inside that I have just saved the path where the student photo is uploaded. So it is inside the student folder. Inside, then again if you go inside, there will be a student pic folder, and inside that the name of the file. So basically while uploading the file you have to save the path and the file name. So later on we can retrieve that particular image through the path. So let me just show you. You can see here upload student pic, and inside this student name is saved, sorry, the file name is saved here. So basically what I am doing is, when I retrieve this data, let me just show you the code here. So guys, like this is the code here. So I'm fetching the student image from here, and let me just show you the code. See, I have written a condition: if the student photo is not null, then this will get the image from the here, and the path will be saved automatically. It will get the image from that particular folder. So basically this is the simple code for retrieving the image from the folder. You can see here buffer image, we have taken it as null, and then I have created a variable which says image equal to IO.read. So this will basically read the file from the path. So you have to give the path here. So I have saved that particular path inside this column. That's why I'm getting that particular file name from this column here. You can see, and that particular image is saved into this, and then here I have scaled it like that it should not go beyond the size of the label here. So this is the simple code. You can just copy this and you can just use this code for getting the images and setting it at particular width and height here. So this is the simple format to get the image and show it or retrieve it into a JLabel. So this is the code, and you can see here whenever I click on any other student, it will automatically retrieve the images of that particular student from the folder. So this is the simple way, and this is what I wanted to show you in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.